Yo, what's up, guys? Happy Sunday. Sorry I've been MIA, but life just gets a hold of you and you just you just get a little busy. So I haven't been trading on my prop firm challenges any longer. It's been kind of switching to live trading account with liquid brokers, liquid charts, and yeah, guys, just been trading on my live capital, and which is great because I don't have to focus on passing a challenge, abiding by prop firm rules. So it's been really good for me. Just making more profits that way. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm gonna do as I always do. I'm gonna do my Sunday market analysis on gold and the Nasdaq. So let's get right to it. I'm gonna remove this. So I'm on a daily chart right now, and gold is still bullish. You can see gold is pulled back on October 21st, did a major pullback, and now it's rising up again. So right now we're in this consolidation phase right here. But all we do is always buy low, sell high. So there's always going to be opportunities in the market, and you just got to learn how to capitalize on it. So first, let's mark up our all-time highs. Mark up our daily resistance. Daily resistance over here too. And I'm also going to chart the US30 because US30 is the price action on US30 is actually a lot better than the Nasdaq. It's marking up my daily key levels. That's kind of good for now. We have one, two, three, four, five, six key levels, and also where we try to trade is we like to trade where there's a heavy load of level of resistance and support. We wanted to see where price can take liquidity from and continue to run. So I'm going to mark up my 4 hour zones. Mark it up to the next Sunday. See if price breaks through this level of support. I can see price easily coming back down here, taking out liquidity from either here, here, or here to rally again. Let's drop down to the lower time frames to see where low levels of pocket of liquidity are. Lower time frame zone. So all we can see, we can wait for price to come back up here, reject, or come back here and reject off this levels also during Asian session today. Let's go down to the 5 minute time frame. That's pretty good. And these are my key levels for gold, baby. Now we just gotta wait for market open, which is in 14 minutes. Now let's check out the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ did a heavy pullback. Super crazy pullback. It just dropped over, I don't know if that's 1,000 pips. Crazy. Need a resistance. Daily support. It's a daily support and resistance. So I could easily see price rally up and come back down. Daily support and resistance right there. And if price happens to break down there, you could easily see price come back all the way down here. All right. I'm actually gonna move this up here. This will be my 4 hour zone right here. All right, so these are my key levels for the NASDAQ. All right, now let's check out US30. Yeah, look how clean price action is in US30. It just rallies like fucking crazy. Drop, support, broke. Daily resistance. So guys, all I'm doing is I'm teaching you guys how to chart. And this is like one of the biggest things in trading is learning how to chart. Daily support and resistance. And yeah, these are my levels for US30, guys. I'm just gonna leave it like this. You guys can take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of my US30 levels, my NASDAQ levels. Shit, where the hell did my NASDAQ levels go? There it is. There, guys. Quick and simple video. Take a screenshot of that. Take a screenshot of my gold levels. Hey, guys. Oh, yeah, let's check out Forex Factory. Let's see what the fundamentals are going to say for this week. For USD. See, we have core PPI on Tuesday, unemployment claims on Wednesday, core PCE index on Wednesday also. And this Thursday is Thanksgiving, so there's a bank holiday, so no trading on Thursday. Um, the government shutdown really messed up the schedule for NFP and CPI. So that's why CPI is now, or core PPI is now on a Wednesday or Tuesday. Normally it's on a Wednesday at like the third week of the month. But yeah, now it's on the fourth week of the month. So it's super fucked up. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot my DMs and happy to answer them for you. All right, guys. Peace.